Tier 1. Budget.
How much do you actually need to spend to get into PC gaming? At level 1, almost nothing. The strategy here isn't buying brand new shiny parts. It's buying a cheap, refurbished office PC, like an old Dell Optiplex with an Intel Core i5, and dropping in a low-profile graphics card like a GTX 1650 or a AMD RX 6400. Pair that with 8 to 16 gigs of RAM and a basic 512GB SSD, and you've got a functional gaming setup for under $300. Who is this for? Absolute beginners, students, or anyone on a razor-thin budget who wants a real PC instead of a console. You won't be running next-gen masterpieces on ultra settings, but competitive titles like Valorant, CS2, League of Legends, and Rocket League will comfortably lock at 60 to 100 FPS at 1080p. Even older AAA classics like GTA 5 and Skyrim run smoothly here. Tier 2. Entry level. Moving up to level 2, we leave the refurbished office gear behind and enter the world of actual custom PC building. For $500 to $700, you're looking at a modern budget CPU like the Ryzen 55600 or Intel i3-13100, combined with a dedicated modern GPU like AMD's RX 6600 or an RTX 30508 GB. Add 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a fast 1 TB NVMe drive, and suddenly you have a system with a real upgrade path for the future. This level is perfect for first-time builders who want guaranteed 1080p performance without breaking the bank. Esports games like Fortnite and Apex Legends will easily hit high frame rates for high refresh rate monitors. But more importantly, modern AAA titles become totally playable. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Helldivers 2, and Elden Ring will run at a stable 60 frames per second on medium to high settings. It's the ultimate console killer level. Tier 3. Mid-range. Level 3 is where price to performance hits its absolute golden ratio. If you ask most PC hardware enthusiasts where to start, this is the bracket they'll point you to. Sitting right between $800 and $1,000, you step into modern platform architectures. You get an Intel i5-13400F paired with powerful mid-range GPUs like the RTX 4060 or RX 7600 XT. You also move up to 16 or 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a speedy 1 TB NVMe SSD. This tier is built for mainstream gamers who want zero compromises at 1080p resolution. You can crank every single graphic setting to Ultra in demanding games like Black Myth Wukong or Starfield and maintain buttery-smooth frame rates. Plus, you get access to modern upscaling tech like NVIDIA's DLSS or AMD's FSR, which even allows this machine to dip its toes into 1440p gaming at respectable settings. Tier 4. Upper mid-range. Welcome to Level 4, the point where 1080p becomes a thing of the past and high refresh rate 1440p takes over. At $1,200 to $1,600, your hardware takes a massive leap. We're talking elite gaming processors like AMD's Ryzen 7 7800X3D or Intel's i7-14700K, paired with heavy-hitting GPUs like the RTX 4070 Super or AMD RX 7800 XT. Back that up with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a spacious 2 TB SSD, and you have a powerhouse. Who is this for? Serious gamers. Competitive players using 144 Hz or 240 Hz 1440p monitors, and casual content creators who edit video or stream on Twitch. Every modern game runs on ultra settings at 1440p resolution with high frame rates. Ray tracing also becomes fully viable here. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 look stunning with realistic reflections and lighting turned on. Tier 5. High-end. At level 5, we enter enthusiast territory. We aren't just playing games at high settings anymore. We're pushing extreme resolutions and heavy workloads. With a budget ranging from $1,800 to $2,500, you're pairing a top-tier gaming CPU with massive graphics processing power. Think an RTX 4080 Super or AMD's flagship RX 7900 XTX. You'll usually cooling these with a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, backed by up to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. This rig is for PC enthusiasts who refuse to lower a single graphics slider. It easily drives 1440p monitors at 240 Hz or higher, but its real specialty is entry-level 4K gaming. Demanding titles like Alan Wake 2 and Forza Horizon 5 run smoothly in native 4K at 60 to 90 FPS. It's also a dream machine for heavy creative tasks like 4K video rendering and 3D animation. Tier 6. Enthusiast. Level 6 is pure luxury. This is for gamers who want native 4K gaming at high refresh rates without relying heavily on frame generation or lowered settings. Priced between $2,800 and $3,500, Level 6 features top-of-the-line components: an AMD Ryzen 97950X3D or Intel i9-14900K, coupled with flagship GPUs like the RTX 5080 or RTX 4090. You'll find 64 gigabytes of lightning-fast DDR5 RAM and custom liquid loops or premium AIOs, keeping temperatures ice cold. This tier is designed for hardcore gamers using high refresh rate 4K OLED displays, as well as professional streamers and full-time video editors. At this level, Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2 run in full path tracing mode, the most demanding ray tracing tech in existence, at over 100 frames per second in 4K. It handles anything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. Tier 7. Extreme. Finally, we arrive at Level 7, the money is no object tier. Costing anywhere from $4,500 to over $7,000, this tier goes beyond standard gaming. We're talking absolute Halo hardware, an RTX 5090, or even AMD Ryzen Threadripper processors, 128 gigabytes or more of DDR5 RAM, and multi-terabyte Gen 5 NVMe storage arrays running at ridiculous read speeds. Who is this actually for? Not just gamers, though it will run any game in native 4K or 8K resolution at maximum settings. This tier is built for deep learning AI developers, studio-grade 3D animators, feature film editors, or multi-PC streaming setups crammed into a single chassis. It's less of a gaming PC and more of a personal supercomputer.